What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Scottio, and I'm back with another banger. I'm back with another banger, you hear me? I'm back with another banger. So look, today's video. Look, check it out. Today's video. I just wasted 5 seconds of y'all time, you hear me?
Shut your stupid ass up!
Let me stop playing, but today's video, I'm going to be doing a blind date on the Monkey App, you heard me?
You're one of those!
So like, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends, family, uncles, brothers, sisters, aunties, brothers, sisters, aunties, sisters, brothers, aunties, uncles, sisters, aunties, brothers, sisters, dumb families, and that other family, your dog family, aunties, sisters, brothers, and aunties, sisters, and brothers, and families. Share the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're watching this video and you brush your teeth, like and subscribe. And if you're watching this video and you don't brush your teeth, I advise you to go brush your stink mouth and like and subscribe, you know? So, before we even get into this video, pause the video and like and subscribe, because we not going on till you like and subscribe.
5 hours later.
You finished? Let's get into the video. So before I start the screen recording, I had to give me some ice cold water, y'all feel me? Ain't nothing like that ice cold water. Got my PS4 controller right here. That's why I play my game there too. So don't mind that. But look, the screen record. What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
What the hell? I'm confused. I was gonna do some crazy shit. That's some crazy shit.
What you doing?
Why are you not looking at me? You can't see me.
Cause of what I'm trying is a blind date. What your name is?
Oh, my name's Liz.
Your name, Lacey. Describe how you look to me right now. How you look?
Well, I got brown hair. It's curly. It's kind of wavy right now, but white.
Yeah.
I got freckles.
You know you.
Wait a minute!
I'm wearing a jewelry necklace and a hoodie.
So like, rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10.
I rate myself 1,000, but
No offense, my baby, no offense. But you ugly as shit. You ugly as shit. I wouldn't smash. I'm not gonna lie.
you can rate me too. Cause
You-
my girl beside me, she
You rate yourself 1,000. You rate yourself 1,000.
Yeah, what you rate me?
I can't even see you, baby.
My girl beside me got dirty blonde hair, she got glasses.
I'm trying to see though. Like, you got a dome.
Oh, I got a bow tie.
You got a boat.
I got a bow tie.
What type of ship you got? You got a yacht?
Oh!
I got a yacht. I got a motherfucking.
I'm saying though, so like, if I take my blindfold off, you go be looking how you said you looking.
Hell yeah, daddy.
Stop it. Get some help.
So you not no big girl?
No.
Man, what's that? What's that with you, baby?
Hey.
What your name is?
Why you got a blindfold on?
Cause it's a blind speed date. We speed dating real quick.
How old are you?
How old you is?
I asked first, how old are you?
I don't even know how old you look. So, how old you is? What's up?
Oh shit, you banging blue, bro.
What's up?
You banging blue?
Huh? What your name is?
Yeah, mama.
Rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10, baby. Yo! Oh, she scared me. These things is retarded, G. Excuse me. Baby girl. What's up with these people? Skipping. Baby girl.
What's good? What's up?
Rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10.
I'm a 10.
Oh!
You a 10.
6 bitch.
What's your name is?
Lexi, Maddie, and Nabaya.
Ooh. Ooh.
Why are you blindfolded? That's my question.
Cause we blind. I'm having a it's a blind date, G.
Stop! He looks fucking hot as fuck.
Listen.
You're not in black really.
So like y'all look like do like I look like y'all type.
Yeah, dreadheads get me wet.
You're one of those.
I like that blue bandana of yours too.
Ooh. So I get you water. Curry? Ooh, wet like water. Yeah.
Where I walk?
Girl, stop playing. But look, I look like y'all think I'm like, oh Lord. Hold on, give me time to think. Brain fucked up. Do y'all think y'all my type?
No, probably not.
Oh!
Ooh, y'all got that dump truck?
Yeah.
You got a wagon?
Yeah. Why don't you take the blindfold off?
Ooh, woo! Lord, Big Macs. What's up? How you doing?
Ciao. Anyways.
How you doing?
Good.
Rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10. Rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10.
What?
Rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10.
Bitch, I'm a 10 and I know it. I'm a 10.
You a 10.
Just without eyelashes, I'm a 4.
So how old you are?
Old enough. Old enough for what? I go.
I'm sorry. That's how you go to jail. Hello? Why she scared? Baby. You can't even fix no Kool-Aid that's good enough to go in my mouth. Oh, fuck you.
Fuck you too, nigga.
Hey, chill out. Rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10 though.
I feel like 1 through 10 is a big number. 1 through 5.
Lord, you a 5?
I said I could pick 1 through 5.
You a 5?
No.
What you is, a 4?
No.
A 3? Damn. You ain't got no self-confidence, huh?
I live in Jersey.
I ain't asked you none of that.
But like, you don't
don't get confidence in Jersey.
So like, yeah, how old you are?
I'm about to be 18 real soon, cut.
You a big girl?
I guess.
You how much pounds you weigh?
Oh wow.
Cause I'm skinny, like I don't need no big girl.
I don't really like skinny boys because I like judgmental, like.
So you 300 pounds, 250, 180, pork chop.
Wait, do I have like a profile picture?
Baby girl.
Bro, what? Hey, before connecting me to you, did I have a profile picture?
Shut up, cowgirl. Hey, but listen though, rate me 1 through 10.
I can't even see your
With the
eyes,
blindfold.
bro.
With the blindfold.
I can't rate you.
Alright, rate yourself then.
I'd give myself like a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Fake, sure, me. So like,
I need you to answer my question though. Did I have a profile picture?
did you have a profile picture?
Yeah.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Okay, Donald Duck.
Fuck you. How you doing?
Good.
So like, rate yourself 1 through 10.
Myself.
Yeah.
Listen. I mean, from people
How old you are?
10, 17. I'm 17.
Describe yourself. How you look?
I'm mixed. I got nose piercing. I got lashes on. My hair short. I'm 4'11". I don't know what else.
So you think you my type?
Maybe.
Maybe. So if I take this blindfold off, I'm gonna be satisfied.
There's 2 people.
I'm just saying so.
Okay?
Huh? Look.
No, cause you weren't talking.
So
I don't think he heard you when he got back on it.
So what you rated yourself?
I said a 10, but I like what people tell me a 10 more than. But like without people telling me I'm a 10, I say 8.
Smooth criminal. You a smooth criminal.
What that supposed to mean?
Yo, your head got deep conversations. Big head Baby girl.
I'm not your baby girl.
Rate yourself 1 through 10, baby girl.
Like, I'm not. Like a 7 or an 8. I don't have a lot of confidence.
Is you a big girl?
No, I'm not. Like, what do you mean, like, bit, like?
Is you like you got god damn it, what is called, God? You got one of them big ass goddamn pig bellies, goddamn it.
No.
Oh.
Fat.
Yeah.
No.
So what size bra you were? Double D?
Like, okay.
You scare me? God damn it. Shit. Come on, man. These people really tripping, son. Like, G.
No, he skipped it.
G.
Yes, man. Yeah, he look like Duke. He look like Duke, but with dreads.
I don't look like no Duke, but with no dreads, G. Tripping. How you doing?
Damn, it's on your face.
Man, look, it's a me and you conversation. Look, it's a blind date, you hear me? So, like, just keep it G, you hear me? Look, how old you are?
Where you got that shit on?
How
where
old
got that
you
shit
is?
on your shit?
How old you is?
Where you got that shit come in your shit?
How old you is?
19.
You 19?
Yeah.
Rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10. Baby. Fuck you! Yo. Get your big ass off my phone, man.
Oh!
Shit. Trip. What's up? Oh shit, who fucking know? What's up? Bitch got a rooster in her house, sound like. No, why you ain't keep that shit on? Is that a fucking dude? These dudes gotta stop it. How you doing? Hey, but look though. Oh shit, we're trying to close out my video. Look. I apologize. But like, you hear me? Yeah, she had to go. Hey, but look, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you hear me? Turn on post notification. Share the video with your friends, brothers, aunties, sisters, brothers, aunties, sisters, brothers, aunties, cousins, uncles, sister, brothers, aunties, cousins, uncles, sister, brothers. You hear me? Make sure y'all share this video out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You're watching the video, you brush your teeth. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You're watching the video, you don't brush your teeth. I advise you to go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Cause like ain't no girl gonna want no Brett, some like Joe's cigarettes. That's what we call cigarettes in Louisiana, Joe's. But like, go brush your teeth. It don't matter. You hear me? And like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.
I can pop out right now, pull my big one on these hoes down. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros. No, all my shit be fashion.